Sarah sat silently in the sunny kitchen. She was very hungry and wanted something special to eat. She decided to make a sandwich. She got some soft, squishy bread from the shelf. Sarah spread smooth, sweet strawberry jam on one slice of bread. On the other slice, she added some slices of savory cheese. She sprinkled some sesame seeds on top for a little crunch. Sarah then added some spinach, making the sandwich even more special. She sliced a juicy strawberry to add a sweet surprise inside. Sarah stacked all the slices together to make her super sandwich. She sat down to savor her snack, smiling from ear to ear. Finally, Sarah said, "This sandwich is simply spectacular," and she enjoyed every single bite. Now, my friends, let us mention the words that began with the letter S. Sandwich, slices, strawberry, Spanish, sesame, snake. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.